1,000 to go, check.
Heavy tower, wind 16017, gust 30, runway 8 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 8 left, Delta 177.
What's up?
Number 3404, RNAV lighted, on left to Mike B, so take off.
RNAV lighted, 9 left, Mike 2, clear for takeoff, quick at 3404.
So the 80 feet heavy up power, the 9 left Mike 2, line up waiting, just land in position, you're spacing up traffic on the north side.
Alright, 9 left, Mike 2, line up waiting, 050.
Approach checklist, Barrow red.
2050, see you later.
2971, set.
2971 set. Seatbelts.
On, minimum 1359, set. Auto brake. Low armed, engine motor lighter. Normal, approach checklist completed.
Cross 19 left, currently turn around 0.75.
Level clear, cross 9 left, and around 0.75. To land tower, wind 15016, gust 30, runway 8 left, clear to land, caution 171, to follow the heavy Airbus special down.
Clear to land, 8 left, Delta 560.
Southwest 8, 1779, go to ground, 0.9, they're looking for you.
Forget 3404, contact apart, good day.
Departure quick at 3404, good day.
Southern 177, heavy, enable right turn, and then hold chalet right at Delta.
Right turn, shorter to right at Delta, Delta 1.
37 left November, hold short of pop. November, hold short of pop, Delta 737 left minute.
November, short of Papa, Delta 737. Delta 1805, good to be approach, departure.
So 1805, line of tower number 2, good to land on 9 right, wind 15017, gust 30.
Good land on your right, Delta 1805.
Got Victor, multiple heavy parts and board.
RNAV to Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff. Number 4899, land tower, runway 8 right, level way.
Runway 8 right, line up and wait, just wait. Bob Tower, Delta 76 Heavy, shell 8 left.
67 heavy land tower, wind 15017, gust 30, runway 8 left, clear to land. And you are following that 73 short follow.
After that, clear to land, 8 left, Delta 6 Avenue.
Denver 4899, RNAV to Herschel, runway 8 right, left turn.
Take off, Denver 48.
Another 1253 land tower, runway 8 right, level way, stop down.
Papa way 8 right for Delta 1253. 9 left, cross the Papa, Lima, ground point 75, Delta 82 Alpha. Tower Delta 322, 9 right.
South 322, Atlanta Tower, number 2, clear to land on way 9 right, wind 15015, gust 26.
Clear to land 9 right, Delta 322.
1, contact departure, 125.
125,
Okay, 82 heavy, RNAV lighted, runway 9 left at Mike 2, clear for takeoff.
1,000 to go, check.
9 left, Mike 2, clear for takeoff,
Delta 3189, Atlanta Tower, Crosswind, turbulence, departing heavy A330, runway 9 left at Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left, Mike 2, line away, Delta 3189.
Activate approach phase.
Denver 4899, contact land departure 2. Fox November, short of Papa, Delta 1805.
Flaps 1. Speed checked.
Left tire, wind 15016, gust 26, runway 8 left.
8 left, clear to land, Delta 2401.
When it's Papa cross 49 left, join Lima, center ground point 75.
Papa, cross 9 left, join Lima, ground point 75, Delta 737. Remember running, cleared for takeoff 8 right, Delta 1253.
82 land tower, runway 8 right line, away traffic Delta.
Contact departure.
Fox right ground point 9.
No Delta cross 8 right, Fox, ground point 9.
Southwest maintenance 8739, land tower taxiway Charlie, cross 8 right, hold your name up.
Alright, Southwest maintenance 8790, crossing Charlie, 8 right, and hold short 8 left.
Delta 67 heavy, hold short 8 right is Delta.
Hold short 8 left, 8 right and Delta, Delta 677.
Flaps 2. Speed checked.
American 990 land tower, good afternoon, winds are 150 at 1 left 25, going 8 left, good land.
8 left, so left,
Delta 1253, contact Atlanta Park Avenue.
Delta 1253, pushing, good day.
Endeavor 5082 on Everani, going 8 right, that's straight up.
Arnav running 8 right, clear for
For the 301 heavy tower, runway 8 right line, away.
runway 8 right, Delta 301 heavy.
734 Atlanta Tower, crosswind turbulence departing heavy 767, runway 9 left at my 2, line up the lane.
Line up the way, 9 left, line 2, 730, Sterling 7. Over burning.
Delta 1798 Atlanta Tower, to land, wind 27 left, wind 15012, gust 25.
Clear to land, 9 right, Delta 1798. Point out,
Southwest maintain 739, tracks on the 2 mile final, cross 8 left, Alpha Surrender.
Cross 8 left, off to the left, Southwest maintenance 8790.
Delta 2401, turn right on Bravo and hold short 8 right on Delta.
Bravo, short is Delta 8 right, Delta 2421.
2,500. Radio altimeter
right.
alive. Check. Gear down.
Takeoff runway 8 right, Delta 301 heading.
Gear down. Cabin crew be seated for landing.
Flaps 3. Speed checked.
9 left, Mike 2, clear for takeoff.
Flaps full. Speed checked.
Delta 1458 Atlanta Tower, runway 9 left at my 2, line up the lane.
9 left, Mike 2.
Landing checklist. ECAB memo. Landing no blue. Landing
Delta
checklist
1742
completed.
heavy contact departure.
Departure good 8 on 1742.
Gust 25.
Pass number 2, clear to land, direct, Delta 31.
Delta 2401 at Delta cross 8 right, join Fox right ground point 9.
Delta 1458.
Delta 300 Atlanta Tower, runway 9 left at my 2, line up the lane.
On the way, runway 9 left at Mike 2, Delta 300.
One heavy climbing left on.
Over departure good 8, Delta 301 heading.
Papa cross, 9 left, Lima ground point 75.
And cross 9 left at Papa.
1,000. Check.
Good day.
Hold short. Actually, hold short 8 right at Delta. Hold short 8 right at Delta.
474 Atlanta Tower, runway 9 left at 92, line up and land.
11-8, runway 90 left at Mike 2, left at 4.
Clear wing 734, contact departure.
Departure, clear wing 734.
66 Atlanta Tower, number 2, clear to land, runway 9 right, wind 15017, gust 25.
Clear to land 9 right, Delta 12.
The 1798, monitor the tower on 12385.
12385.
500. 100 above.
Check.
100 above.
Minimums. Continue. Check.
Minima.
474 Arnav Grit, runway 9 left at 92, clear for takeoff.
Server, takeoff 9 left, Mike 2, grid, our number is up 474.
Delta 1418 Atlanta Tower, runway 9 left at 92, line up await traffic downfield.
100.
Mike 2, line up await, Delta 14.
Delta 1458, contact departure.
50.
1458 over departure field.
30. 20. Retard. 10.
998 Delta, cross 8 right to run 57.
And Delta Crossy right on a box truck, runway 9 right, 996.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel.
9 at Lima 1, following RJ.
17 knots.
Short of 9 left here.
Route 2 November short 9 left 0, Delta 3182, got plus 10 at 100 feet.
Delta 3182, roger, monitor tower 12385.
See ya.
Delta 1416, Atlanta Tower, little land on 9 right, number 2, wind 15018, gust 25.
Little land number 2, 9 right, Delta 1416.
The 1416, multiple reports, gains and losses, 10 knots.
Delta 1416, thanks. Kilo, Mike, ground, Delta 798.
The 474, contact departure.
George 434.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are still on an active taxiway. We ask that you do remain seated until the captain has pulled until the aircraft is at the
turn
gate. Thank you.
right heading 180 and maintain 3000, please.
Right 180, maintain 3000. 12, thank you.